Heat pipe thermal resistance automatic testing equipment instructions. Open the computer. Power on the device. Run the software. Click OK. Click Test Program Edit. Set machine type parameters. Click Save. Click OK. Click Test, F8, click OK. The system can be tested in holding temperature. Click the Start button. Loading. Start the test. Loading is completed. The interface responds with a prompt indicating that the feeding is complete. Click Clear Alarm after feeding, or directly click Without feeding. Product testing completed. Blanking. Click Exit, F4.